Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 9. All is not lost. Paragraph 7. Reading. I was sent on a 3-month training course to Karachi. I made all possible efforts to leave my patient in good hands. I returned after 3 months to see my patient's bed taken up by another. My feet froze to the ground. I did not have the courage to ask what happened. As I stood near the bed with several questions popping in my mind, I felt a gentle pat on my shoulder. I turned round to see a young woman smiling at me. "Are you looking for your patient?" she said and gave me a big hug. "Thank you for everything you did. I know you did not allow them to make me lead a crippled life." Meaning of difficult words. Attempt, to try to do. Courage, bravery. Pat, a gentle tap. Looking for, to search. Popping in, appearing. Crippled mean disabled. Explanation. Rahila was sent for 3 months to Karachi on training. Rahila made all possible efforts to leave Hira in good hands. When Rahila came back from Karachi, she was shocked to see another patient on the same bed. While Rahila was thinking about Hira, someone gently pat on her shoulder. Rahila was very pleased to see her patient standing there in normal condition. Hira was very thankful for each and every effort made by Rahila to save her from crippled life. It was the hard work of Rahila who helped the helpless patient. Hira was able to walk again. Paragraph 8. Reading. I stood still until her family came around with big smile on their faces. Thanks to Allah, she was my patient, standing and walking on her own feet. I could not recognize her without machinery and tubes around her body. Meaning of difficult words. Still mean motionless. Recognize, to be able to identify again. Explanation. Hira's family was very thankful to Rahila. Rahila was very thankful to Allah, who enabled Hira to stand and walk as a normal person. Rahila found difficulty in recognizing Hira as a normal person because when she left Hira, she was on bed in critical condition. Paragraph 9. Reading. She walked on crutches, which she could leave in a few months. I was so glad that I had done those exercises on her to keep her limbs in motion. I was glad that my efforts bore fruit, but most of all, I was happy that Allah Almighty had helped me win a lost battle. Meanings of difficult word. Crutches mean sport. Glad mean happy. Limbs, leg and arm. Effort, struggle. Bore fruit mean to get success. Explanation. Hira had to walk on crutches for a few months more. Rahila was very pleased for doing all those exercises on Hira, which made her limbs moving again normally. Rahila was pleased for all successful efforts which enabled her to win a lost battle with the help of Allah Almighty. Paragraph 10. Reading. She and her family had entered into a considerable bond of friendship with me. I was humbled by their sense of gratitude towards me. I felt a sense of renewed strength in me. Where there is a will, there is a way. I was proud to be a nurse. Meaning of difficult words. Considerable, a great in amount. Humble, not proud. Gratitude, feeling to express thanks. Will, to intend. Explanation. Due to sincere and successful efforts of Rahila, Hira and her family came into a close relationship. Rahila felt a new strength in herself. Rahila said, "Where there is a will, there is a way." She proved it practically that a hopeless patient could be cured if one is willing to fight for it. She helped Hira to recover because she has a strong will. Those who have a will to do something find a way of doing it. Rahila felt proud to be a nurse.